In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a swipe animation in Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, a social media post, or any type of digital content, adding animations can make your images more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one. Once you're in your design, select the image you want to animate. This could be a key element of your design, like a photograph or an icon that complements your theme. Simply click on the image to highlight it, making it ready for animation adjustments. Next, with the image selected, look toward the top bar and find the Animate button. Clicking on this will open a panel on the left side of your screen showing a variety of animation options. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a range of animation styles, each offering a unique movement effect for your image. For this tutorial, we'll use the drift animation effect as an example. Drift provides a subtle yet smooth movement, making it perfect for professional or artistic designs. To apply it, just click on Drift from the list and you'll see a real-time preview of your image in motion. This helps you decide if the effect matches the look you want. Once the drift animation is applied, you'll notice an option to adjust the intensity. This lets you fine-tune the animation. Higher intensity makes the movement more pronounced, while lower intensity gives a gentler effect. Experiment until you find the perfect balance for your design's aesthetic. Remember to save your work regularly. Canva usually auto-saves, but it's always a good habit to double-check to avoid losing any progress. Once you're happy with your animated image, preview your entire design to see how it flows within your project. Finally, if everything looks great, it's time to share or export your design. Canva offers multiple options, including MP4 video or GIF formats. Think about where you'll publish your work to choose the best format that maintains the animated effect. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to create swipe animations in Canva. Adding this dynamic element can really boost the engagement of your designs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to add some movement to your own projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.